Design Thinking MBA First Semester Part 7. Innovation in Developing Nations. The top companies in the world give high consideration to innovation as a factor leading to their success. Innovation takes place with the generation of new idea like the development of a new product or service or process. In the recent past, we can observe the emergence of many low cost innovations rising from the weaker sections of the society that have less financial aids. Such innovations pertain mostly to emerging economics like India and China. A major concept out here is frugality. Frugal has been defined as being careful in the use of raw materials and their impact on the environment. Frugality. In frugality, the design takes care of incorporating features that are useful and economical while at the same time not reducing the safety features of the product. It is also necessary that the product must be easy to use for fast diffusion of the same. Frugal innovations bring about substantial improvements to existing products or create new products. However, in doing so, they make the most optimum utilization of resources and seek to reduce any excess usage of financial and non financial resources in the entire value chain. The idea here is to offer the same or even greater functionality and quality standards but at a very less cost. Frugal innovations have tendency that is description in nature. They are thus also called destructive innovations by experts. They often create an entirely new business model or try to address the needs of a customer segments that are not being chartered to currently. They are often referred as innovation focused on customers who are at the bottom of the pyramid. Still, other denotes these as grassroots innovation, inclusive innovation, and jugaad innovations. This is done to describe that although the overall phenomena is same but still there are certain aspects which will be best defined when refreshed in particular terms. Frugal innovations can often be likened to lean innovations which aim to harness knowledge fast and turn out products and services. But at the same time, all unnecessary production costs. Lean innovation put a lot of emphasis on structuring, defining the value of the innovation projects and prioritizing the same. Frugal innovations through similar in term of value emphasizes can have sustainability different objectives. The end outcome of lean innovation need not to be low cost product also have a successful game changing descriptive innovation more than just an efficient management of the innovation process is required. Frugal innovation therefore includes all the features of the various concepts like jugaad, grassroots innovations, and bottom of the pyramid, and inclusive innovations. It can be seen as platform to bring all these various concepts under one roof. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, share with your friends and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.